Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Adil and today is all about detailing this absolutely stunning classic Land Rover Defender. Classic Defender has just had a full level 2 detail by our team here in Cambridge. Vehicle now looks absolutely stunning, and I'm sure you've already seen some of the shots of how it looked when it came in to where we are now is just absolutely breathtaking. The level 2 detail includes basically starting off, as you've seen in today's video, the decontamination wash, giving a clay bar, making it look absolutely stunning, and then embarking on the journey of a stage 1 polish, getting rid of 70 to 80% of those swirl marks that were embedded into that paintwork and bringing it back to life, and then going through a ceramic coating process using the G-Technique product with the crystal serum light, and then over with the EXO to give it a hydrophobic layer, which really does set off the rest of the vehicle. But over the moon with the finished results, and it looks absolutely stunning. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you on the next one.